actually does look nice against the field.
Alright, come on, let's go here.
She wants to go further away from her car so that we can walk back to the car.
Yeah, exercise, man. And that is how you catch the drone in midair for my subscribers that were wondering. So now you know. You just grab it and then turn it upside down. I don't know if it's good for the motor, probably not, but you know, when you have terrain that isn't ideal for landing, you can just catch it midair. So that's what I did when I was on the boat in Kaneohe Sandbar. But yeah, welcome guys to the video. We are here at Waimanalo Country Farms, Sunflower Farms. And as you can see, we are surrounded by all of these mountains. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to show you what you can expect when you come here.
And we are walking down these beautiful sunflower fields.
They take off this layer right here, the yellow layer, and then the darker ones are the more mature ones. Or did you say the darker ones? The gray ones are more mature.
The darker ones
The
are
darker
more mature,
ones,
so
yeah.
they're more
So
into the
those
black.
ones- so
Yeah.
the black ones are more mature, and the lighter ones are
Yeah.
not so much, not as much. They're still maturing.
They're still in their
Yeah.
preteen phase.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for like those people, what they do, you basically put them on your roof or somewhere just high,
To dry.
upside down. And this back side, we'll see how really light this color is.
Yeah.
It'll get
Yeah.
even a lighter color than this.
Okay.
And then once you know they're really dry, you're able just to rub your fingers across the top. The seeds will pop right up. And then you have to put them in another pan, dry them again,
Oh.
and then you have a better chance of replanting them.
Nice.
Yeah.
Such a process.
Yeah. How long does it take for them to cook on the grill?
I really don't go off time
So you just kind of like
because they're
look
all
at it.
different variety
Okay.
of sizes and everything. It's all about feel. You got to go until the seeds are really tender, because if you don't and you eat them when they're hard, it's like eating roasted sunflower seeds and trying to swallow them whole. So you're gonna get a bunch of buildup of shell and
Got
you know,
it.
fiber in your mouth.
Okay.
It's not enjoyable. Yeah.
I see. So guys, to come visit this beautiful, beautiful place, I don't think it'll cost any more than $11. Well, at the moment. Don't quote me on that. I recommend go check out their website for current pricing. And we are gonna go take a bath in a sunflower field, guys. Look at that. It's adult size.
Elaine's about to work the fields now.
Oh wow, this is ancient. Fits just right.
So what do you do with this tractor thing?
So what you do is you just you step on this metal thingamajiggy right here. You check the oil pressure. It's at 0 right now, so that's excellent.
This is not a real tutorial.
The engine, yeah. Disclaimer: do not
try this.
Do not try this at home, as if you had a tractor at home, right? But oh my goodness, guys, you know, if you want to come sunbathing here, I'm totally kidding. No, don't come here to sunbathe. But yeah, this area is just super scenic. If you're looking for a really cool place to take photos, I know some people. I know one of you guys really loves to take photos, so definitely come here. So yeah, the prices right now, if you are age 3 and over, it's $10.84 per person, plus the tax and any processing fees if you pay by credit card, or if it's a cash payment, it's only $10 at the door. So a valid credit card will be required for reservations, and you have 48 hours to change your reservation without being charged. 2 years and under are free. Okay, so that's just a little bit of information about how much it costs to come here to the Waimanalo Sunflower Farms. To get more detailed information, I recommend you go to their website. It is waimanalocountryfarms.com. I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description below so you can go ahead and get additional information about this place. Alright guys, if you want to come get some grilled sunflower heads, look at this beautiful bed of sunflower heads. So it's about $10, and you can come get it here at this stand right over here. It's near the front entrance part once you drive in. So yeah, let's go see what that looks like. Alright.
We're gonna oil it.
Okay. What kind of oil is that?
Olive oil.
Olive oil, nice.
That. And spread.
Stays on for...
All depends because of the size of the head. But it goes off. We go off all feel when it gets really tender and soft.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
nice. It smells amazing.
Yeah, they do.
Already.
Really good aroma.
Yes, it's like making me hungry.
I gotta get the seeds first.
Yeah, she got the cooked sunflower heads. How is it?
It's really yummy.
Yeah.
The seeds and the cheese and the butter goes really well together.
Nice. And is it Parmesan? Yeah.
Yeah, Parmesan cheese. And the seeds are not too hard, so it's really like easy to eat and delicious.
Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna link her YouTube video down below. Y'all want to follow her as well.
Pictures to my family, like, oh, you can do that? I was like, oh, not like,
Oops, I just hit you guys on my car. Just kidding. Oh, my hair is a hot mess. So right now we got back in the car and we are driving to the second sunflower fields, and we heard there's llamas here. So I see there's sign that says alpaca and llama, but what are they?
They're hiding.
Are they hiding? So yeah, look at this beautiful mountain range. It is so gorgeous here, guys. And yeah, don't worry, I'm driving like 1 miles per hour, so it is actually a really nice place to come and just spend the mornings. I think before we leave, I definitely want to try what G is having. Whole head of sunflower with Parmesan cheese and olive oil and butter, and also want to get some of their delicious lemonade. I heard it's so good. Alright, they also sell super sweet cooked corn. It has like butter, salt, garlic, a whole bunch of different stuff on there. They have low country oil. Yum. Oh wow.
Makes sense. They've got a lot of bees, so they also farm them.
Yeah, so they have the honey jar for $8, which I think is really good. I mean, look at all this.
Fresh honey.
Fresh honey for $8. I wonder if I should get some for
you, since you like it in your oatmeal.
oatmeals, yes. They also have the handmade coasters, guys. It's 1 for $3 or 2 for $5. Special edition coasters. You can also get fresh bagged corn for $6 and cornbread for $4. You can also get a sunflower for $3.
It's the porta potty.
Oh yeah, if you want porta potties, where's it, Donna? Okay, bathrooms are over there. Nice. Oh, here's the lemonade stand. Nala made lemonade stand. And country sweet tea. We're gonna get some lemonade. I think I might go for the strawberry. How about you?
Then I guess I'll go for the mango.
Yeah, so we can try both, yeah. So yeah, we'll go for strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry for
Yeah.
both of you?
And the mango for
The
me.
mango for
you.
her.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel it.
Alright, mango for you.
Regrets already?
And strawberry for you.
I mean, that looks really
Thank
good
you
too,
very
so-
much.
Of course. You guys enjoy now, okay?
Oh, thank
You want
you.
straws for that, or you just gonna drink out of the jar?
Is it biodegradable?
Biodegradable.
It's glass, so.
Glass straws?
Oh, the straws. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're paper straws.
Oh, okay, sure, yeah.
Okay.
Look at this, guys. There's real lemons in here.
Strawberry.
Strawberry,
Where's my
mango.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you guys. You guys have a good day now.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Mahalo. Yum. I'm so excited. I am so excited to try this.
As am I.
If you guys are coming to the farm, you definitely have to try out their lemonade. Look at this. You can't get any fresher than this. Fresh fruit puree.
And you get a reusable jar.
Yeah, and you get a reusable jar. Like, I mean, that is an amazing deal. And it's $8 for the jar. Jar of lemonade. To be good. Aloha. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Guys, this honey jar is only $8.
You know, normally if you would buy this over at like Foodland or something, this would be already super, super expensive. And the fact that this is fresh from their farm, I highly recommend you guys grab a bottle, ouch,
Just don't hurt yourself with it.
of this stuff. And they have these really cute shirts. Donna wants to grab this shirt. So yeah, it's super soft. So definitely check out this little stand here. It's right next to the lemonade stand.
Right next to the exit, actually, so when they're driving.
Yeah, actually, as you guys are driving out, you guys will be able to see this stand right here. It's near the exit. We're gonna go ahead and take a break under the shade and try out this delicious lemonade because I need to put the camera down for a bit. We're gonna try the lemonade out for you guys and give you a review. And they give paper straws. So here in Hawaii, there's a ban now for you can't use. They don't have plastic straws. Well, that's been for a while, I think. But utensils, you can't have plastic utensils anymore. I think I need to zoom out a bit. All right, let's try this, Donna. Cheers. Ching. Sound effects. Come in the frame. Wow.
That's good.
That is so good, guys. Oh yeah, let me try that.
Yours is sweeter.
Yeah.
Yours is way sweeter.
It is very hearty. This is so good, guys. You definitely have to try this. Delicious. And you can see like the lemons, the fresh lemons in there, and the purees. Very good.
I would say the strawberry is a little better than the mango. If you like tart, go for mango.
There you go. Yeah, that's true. If you want something a little bit on the sweeter side, strawberry. If you want something more on the tarty side, mango.
We should have gone to lihimoy.
I thought about that. They have lihimoy too, flavor. Yeah, that would actually be pretty good. I would imagine everything on their lemonade menu
is good.
So go ahead, try all of them
Try
out.
all of them out.
Cheers.
Ooh. Shake it, don't break.
The staff here is so awesome, so friendly. Shout out to the owner, Sean, and her family. This is a 6th generation farm, guys. So, you know, if you want to support local family-owned businesses, this is definitely the place to go. So we just finished some lemonade, which was absolutely delicious. So good. I can't emphasize that enough. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the grilled sunflower heads, which I had already shown earlier in the video, but now we get to go ahead and try it out.
Feeling FOMO because earlier we were like, eh.
Yeah,
everyone
was just like munching. I was like, okay, we'll come back after we see the rest of the place. But now, hey, there's Islander Chris. What's up?
What's going on, everyone?
Subscribe to his channel too.
Link in the description.
Yes, I'll link him in the description.
So, did you guys try this yet?
Not yet.
No, we want to, yeah.
Yes. You gotta rake it.
Hi guys, you guys want to see what we're about to eat right now? Come take a closer look. We're having some sunflower heads, grilled heads. So there's some butter and Parmesan cheese on here. And we got a rake so the seeds
Oh,
pop out.
yeah. Come closer and take a look. So this is how it's gonna be done. So you gotta rake it so the seeds pop
Ooh.
out. I know, right? That is so interesting. This is a very interesting way to eat something. Oh,
Oh, right?
yum! Wow, very cheesy.
Mhm.
Cheesy goodness. So definitely try this out, guys. It's about $10 here
Mm-hmm.
at the stand, and it's at the first sunflower field that you're gonna drive through. So definitely good. Recommend it.
Oh, wow.
So the texture is almost like the texture of corn, and flavor-wise, it's like a hint of artichoke, corn, but they're sunflower seeds. But you know, these are fresh sunflower seeds, so it's a really interesting, unique flavor. You guys definitely got to try this out. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, she loves it so much she's not talking right now.
She's speechless.
The grilled corn is $4, guys. You can get it at the same place that you can get it at the lemonade stand. So you can buy it over here as well. It's $4. So when you get your lemonade, you can get your what do you call it? The grilled corn also, and anything else that you like. So it's all over here, and it's right before you exit. Okay. So yeah, try that out. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm in the shade right now because it's actually, oh wow, come closer and see all of this like buttery juices. Yeah. Let's try this out without having it drip all over me. I think it smells very garlicky. So there's definitely garlic butter on here. Very good, guys. I recommend the corn. The corn and the lemonade, very good combination. Cheers. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that awesome video of Waimanalo Sunflower Farms. And also wanted to mention, so I think they will be closing around May 11th or 12th, but they will be reopening in June for the season. So just check their website for detailed information regarding that, okay? So yeah, it'll be just in time for your summer vacation. So as always, thank you so much for watching and coming along my adventures. If you haven't subscribed, take that time right now, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified on when I have some new videos up, and hopefully, you know, we'll get to show you more of this beautiful island, and I'll take you guys along with me. All right, thank you so much. Like to support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.